Welcome to Dr. Bond, exclusive app for doctors.
Dr. Rani Nandakumar, the senior consultant in Apollo Medical Center. I am a retired professor having an experience of 38 to 40 years. Nowadays in the practice we have so many modern technologies which has increased the power of diagnosing the disease specifically and accurately and to treat the patients. In our olden days we believe only our experience and our hand, and whatever we make the decision we go for it. But now we have the recent technology with ultrasound which diagnoses all the problems in the fetus and the mother and the uterus and in the ovaries, and we are able to do the laparoscopic surgery which is not very much involved as like olden days technology with opening the patient, and with that we are able to do a robotic surgery also to remove the uterus and to remove the mass. Hence the modern technology has increased so much, we are able to reduce the maternal mortalities as well as the fetal deaths by diagnosing it before itself. During labor, we are having the fetal heart monitoring which will show us the accurate problems that will arise at any time, and we are able to cut short the labor by diagnosing it. And we are in olden days we are sitting near the patient and monitoring the patient, but now we are able to relax little bit even in our house. Immediately we get the WhatsApp message and email, and immediately we will rush to the patient and do the necessary things. Hence the technology is definitely increased with all these MRIs and CTs. All the recent technology has improved our practice and it is very good for the patients.